This is Mark.
Some great charity
and Mark, how long have you been watching MustangMedic?
Go places, try new things.
Probably about 8 months.
So
8 months?
8
All right, so he's a relatively new viewer, but he knows everything about MustangMedic, and he let me sit in his
1929 Model 8 Roadster.
1929?
1929.
1929 Model Roadster. They drove the car to this car show, which is kind of amazing. Sorry, I don't usually do interviews with my sunglasses on. But
he's have a 65 now.
Yeah, he's got a 65, and is that your dad? Or?
That's my dad, yep.
I'm going to show you his dad because his dad's a character, and he's got a 57?
57 Bel Air convertible.
It's a 4-speed with, guys, get
Still
it.
Still a 4-barrel car.
400 horsepower. So let's go quickly see him before they turn the music on and ruin this interview. Oh no, they got music on. We got to go. Bye. You're going to see a picture of him. Here's a picture.
It's a 1929 Ford Model 8 Roadster.
There it is, 1929 Ford Model 8 Roadster.
Bone stock.
Bone stock and an award winner, right? You got the trophies and everything. There you go. Really nice.
All right, John, you ready?
Is it hard to start?
I hope not.
Mark. He started it a couple times.
Started. Turn on. Yep.
Takes little moments, you know? Takes minutes.
Of course, now it's on video, it won't start.
You got juice? You got turn signals?
You like that?
You ain't got no juice.
No.
You got a safety switch on?
Nah.
You don't.
Nah, do you know how to jump these things? Crank them?
You got to jump it positive ground.
You know how to crank it?
No.
You got a crank?
You got a crank?
I got a crank, yeah.
He's got a crank? Oh, remember how to hold it, you can break your arm.
You ain't gonna crank that.
You ain't gonna crank this?
No. Because you got a dead battery. Who's joke out?
This is cool seeing a flathead 4 start up.
Alright, what are we doing wrong, John?
Keep cranking.
You car right up. Don't turn now.
Yeah, you're right. You definitely would have cranked it.
Yeah.
I just going to guess.
Dead battery. I'm showing this not to embarrass the guys, but to show the reality of classic cars. This is a show winner and the battery's dead. Got to deal with it. That's a flathead 4. And that's a generator. My Falcon had a generator too. My 63. Almost.
Come on, baby.
Almost. Almost. Come on. Oh, it's starting to go. It seems like it wants to go.
Hey, I got it retarded.
Whoa! Woo! Oh man, it just blew everybody's ears out with that backfire. That's good news. That means it's going to start. There it goes. There you go. The backfire is that's on. Woo! I don't know if you guys can see the smoke. Oh yeah, it must have been loud for you. It was right next to you. Wow, that was exciting. That was exciting. You just never know. I mean, one day you're here, the next day you got an explosion next to you. That's pretty cool. This is going. You're going to carburetor adjustment.
We're going to back about 1.5 tunes out. We're 1.5 tunes. Turn the pump off.
How loud, man.
That was loud.
My ears are starting.
You're young, you'll heal. You're young, you'll heal. Pretty cool. Planet 4, 1929. Running! She's running. I'm putting that on. It's got to go on. It's great. The backfire scared the hell out of everybody. And there goes Bill. Of course, he got it started because that's what Bill does. Not only has he built beautiful cars, but he's going over all the details on all these cars over here at Classic Auto Mall. So, pretty cool. Hey Bill, it's not the first car you started here, is it?
No.
It won't be the last, he said. All right, this is the end of the video series. He's about to pull out, and then we're gonna call it a day. But that was a perfect way to end it, getting a 1929 Model A started without a dead battery. Pretty cool. And here we go, ending the show on a 1929 show winner. And there he goes. See you guys.